Hello there, friends. I hope you are doing well. I really do mean that. It is the middle of the week and the market, God almighty, it is booming. This market is just on fire right now in a very good way. Little bit of sell-off today, but still a lot of things are just kicking right now. So if you're not making money on the market, man, you are not putting money somewhere smart. And that's why we're going to talk about Muln. Sorry, I mean that in the nicest way possible. But so friends, obviously Muln, I've been talking about Muln for months now. I mean months. We've seen kind of just so many things happen with Muln here, from lies, misinformation, Muln not meeting deals, just bad news, bad press. And listen, I'm rooting for Muln. We're all rooting for Muln. We want Muln to work here. This is not like a hit piece I'm trying to say here. I think we need to talk about the obvious stuff and what's going on. The last big news that's real news that is confirmed is that Muln received an order for about $325,000 for 30 of Muln's Go EVs. This is good. The main issue that we're seeing right now with Muln, and I've been talking about this for over a month now, probably 2 months. So a little back ago, Muln had a reverse split, and then everyone was pumped up, stuff was going to happen. People were still talking about that Saudi deal that was obviously fake. There's a lot more there that I'm not even going to mention. And since then, Muln has just been taking hit after hit, day by day. It tried to come back here a little bit, which we figured it would. We figured there was going to be a big uptick on it where day traders were really going to push it, and they did around June 6th, and it got up to right around 22 cents. And pre-market it was actually up, I think it was like in the 30-cent range, low 30-cent range, but when market started it just kind of fell back down, not holding support. So this has kind of just been the thing with Muln, and as of right now, it's staying above this 10-cent mark. It's staying above this 10-cent mark. And it needs to, because if not, NASDAQ is going to say, hey, we're going to pull your plug. Now, the NASDAQ situation is that Muln has until August here to really get their stock above $1 for 10 consecutive days. If not, NASDAQ told Muln months ago that they were going to force them to do a reverse split if they could not get their stock above $1. And that was on the first reverse split. So it's still there, the conversation. Muln had the reverse split. The stock still did not stay $1. It just plummeted back down. So Muln is right back in a worse spot now, with people that got caught in the first reverse split, and now probably people are going to get caught in the second reverse split. So bullet points on a chalkboard right now with what we're seeing with Muln. There will be another reverse split. That is coming, hell high water. You want to believe it, not believe it. I know there's people saying that it's not going to happen and that you should put all your money into Muln right now. Those channels are out there. I've warned people against what is being said right now. Muln needs cash. They need big cash. They need big deals. These deals that we're seeing right now, they're great. I mean, obviously, we've seen Muln have some deals this year. We've seen them do some pretty big things. Muln is a car company that is making an item, a very expensive item. Vehicles are not cheap, and running an EV car, especially in this market with the car market coming down and the EV market being so overrun with EVs, not to mention the Cybertruck could be coming out this year, if not the beginning of next year. So Muln is in very, very cluttered waters right now when they need to stand out by themselves. But do I like Muln? Yes, I like Muln. I like Muln, but I am a long-term investor with things. I'm not a day trader. I'm not putting K here, making K there. That is not me, and I'm not going to do that. Right now, I do not believe putting money into Muln right now where it's at. I need to see more. Obviously, like I said, there will be a reverse split. That is coming. That is 100% coming. Unless Muln made a car that cured cancer, when you got into it, there's no way they're going to survive what is coming here. But it doesn't mean they're going to wrap up shop. It doesn't mean anything like that. They're obviously making money. They're staying afloat right now, but this is a very, very new EV company that is only a handful of years old right now, and it's just treading in some very crowded water right now. So friends, I know that probably wasn't the news everyone wanted to hear, but I'm going to stick around with Muln and watching it. I'm talking about Muln because I like Muln. I like where they could possibly go in the future. But we have to be honest about what is going on right now. So friends, with all that said, take care and I will talk to you soon. Bye everyone.